Hey guys, what's up? Lanchen here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on another 4x4 flat canvas panel. If you want to know where I got those, you can find that in the description box below, along with all the other products that I'm going to be using for this video. So let's get started. Alright, just a fair warning, the sound is going to be awful because I have the refrigerator next to me, so it's going to be a little noisy. Today I am going to paint the Jack-o'-lantern Nebula. I saw this photo on NASA's Instagram. Wow, it's freaking sick. I know it's past Halloween, but honestly, I'm just painting this because I like it. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to trace out where the eyes are and the mouth, just so I don't paint into that section of it. These are the brushes I'll be using. I have detail brushes mostly and two flat-headed brushes as well. I'm going to start with my lightest orange. I'm actually going to mix in some brown with my orange to make it a little darker. Now I'm switching to my white and I'm using a detail brush. Alright, so I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm going to go over it with orange. I'm going to bring in my white. Now I'm going to add some red right here and right here. Now I'm going to add some black and orange to the outside edges. I feel like this is too bright, the white, so I'm going to come back over the white with some orange again. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're interested in seeing more of my artwork, you can find my work at Lanchen Designs or on my Etsy shop. Also, if you want to know all the products I used for this video, then you can find that below in the description box as well. Alright, Space Cadets, I will see you next time.